Levi, who's that? Levi, who's that? Levi, come here. Ben.
Everybody gets is leaving here.
Yeah. How much was this shed?
It's a little, it's like 52.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I kept the box, because I was thinking, like, I don't have any storage in my house. Like, I don't have a basement or an attic.
Yeah.
So I didn't want this to just get loaded up with just junk. So, I mean, that's why I got the box. You know, we can keep like our, you know, like decorations and stuff in bins and just keep it in the box for storage. And then this way, this is going to be, I'm going to, you know, build a workbench, have my toolboxes, and then on this half, I can, you know, have like a futon or something, a little hangout area.
Alright, I'm on this job here today. My friend just bought this shed, and he wants to do an apron in front of it, which is eventually going to get a roof over top of it. So we're just doing a little concrete pour, nothing crazy. And he's never done concrete before, so he asked for a hand smoothing it out. So we're going to lay down a vapor barrier, a little rebar, a few form stakes, and concrete will be here in like an hour, and we're going to smooth it out. I just picked up this thing. It's like a concrete vibe or whatever that's called. I want to give that a try for the first time here too. Alright, we're all set to pour here, so we're just waiting on concrete. So we laid in some wire mesh, rebar, and put a vapor barrier down. So the plan is to pour the concrete to the top of these form boards, and then we're going to come up on the siding of this building a little bit with the concrete. That way there's not going to be too much of a lip going into this front door. Like, the height of the concrete will be just under the door. And this entire form is pitched a tiny bit down in the front, like there's like an inch of drop in the front, so that way if there's ever any water on it, it will run out the front instead of towards that building.
got that big time equipment right there, so you know what to do. That's what the money guy is. Everybody doesn't have that machine. Yeah. Big time companies have that.
Alright, so we just finished smoothing it out like the first stage, so I'll let it harden up a little bit and then hit it again with that float or Fresno or whatever that thing's called.
didn't bring any.
You still sitting here, Ben?
Levi, come here. Alright, so I figured I'd come back and visit this slab. I poured this one about a year ago, and a lot of people were asking in the comments how it held up. And because it's so here it is here. A lot of people were thinking it was going to crack for some reason, but you know, there's not a single crack in this thing. Alright, so here's a clip of the inside. Alright, so you can see there is not a crack in this thing. And I think it's going to stay that way probably for as long as this building's going to last.
Yeah, big teeth. Oh.
He's got big teeth.
He likes me.
He does like you.
Alright, so that's good to see. This drainage is working fine that I did here. You know, the issue before was all the gravel would end up in that road every time it rained heavy. And it has been raining a lot this year. And there is nothing in the street, so that's nice. Alright, so this concrete slab still looks fine. Not a single crack in it. And I'm sure it's going to stay that way for years.